Welcome to AI-powered survival budgeting. Stop trying to budget in your head. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, you need a survival plan, not a wealth plan. We will use AI to turn financial chaos into a realistic, actionable roadmap. Generic financial advice often feels impossible when you are in a low tax bracket. Advice like saving 20% of your income is mathematically out of reach. The key shift is to stop looking at spreadsheets and start focusing on liquidity. The goal is simple: secure housing, utilities, food, and transportation. Meet Mark, a single dad and janitor earning $18 an hour at night. Mark represents the reality of low-income budgeting, fearing he'll run out of money before the month ends. His take-home pay is $2,300, with fixed costs of $1,100 for rent, $500 for car and insurance, and $150 for utilities. When using AI for financial planning, the mistake is being too vague. A simple "make me a budget" isn't enough. The fix is to provide emotional context. Telling the AI you are drowning removes the panic and uses the AI's logic to turn that emotion into actionable calculation. Step 1 is the brain dump protocol. We feed the AI Mark's exact scenario, including his income, fixed costs, and the emotional context that he is drowning in stress. Crucially, we use the keyword "Tanati survival-mode Tanati student" to force the AI to ditch generic rules and prioritize immediate needs like shelter and food. Emotional context changes the mathematical output. A generic prompt leads to impossible, generic advice. A contextual prompt, stating you are stressed or drowning, results in an actionable survival strategy that focuses on liquidity and keeping the lights on. The diagnosis shows Mark is caught in the 70% trap. His fixed costs of $1,750 consume 70% of his income before any food or incidentals are purchased. The financial battle must be won in the remaining 30%, which is only $550. To reframe the impossible, we break down the monthly $550 remaining amount into a weekly target. Seeing $550 for a whole month can induce panic, but $135 a week provides a manageable, specific number to focus on. Step 2 is the Stop the Bleeding protocol. Since rent is fixed, the battleground is the grocery store and the gas tank. We ask the AI for underconsumption hacks, requesting a meal plan and a list of immediate expenses to cut, based on the $135 a week remaining. Survival Tactic A is the $70 grocery strategy. The AI generates a strict meal plan capped at $70 per week, focusing on bulk staples. This leaves exactly $65 for gas and incidentals, eliminating all guesswork. Survival Tactic B is the bank fee script. A simple mistake can lead to a $35 overdraft fee. Asking the AI to write a professional script helps overcome anxiety and secure a one-time waiver. Getting that $35 back is effectively a 25% weekly raise. Survival Tactic C is the subscription audit. The rule is simple: if it doesn't keep you alive, it goes. The AI suggests canceling all non-essential subscriptions, creating a vital safety buffer for Mark's child. Next, we address the janitor's dilemma, handling irregular income like overtime. The rule is to live strictly on the $2,300 base pay. Overtime is not for discretionary spending, it is for peace of mind. The sinking fund is critical for separating bonus pay from base pay. This is the only way to break the cycle of using credit cards for emergencies. The fund covers predictable, irregular expenses like field trips, school shoes, and flat tires. The outcome is a plan, not a miracle. The AI did not print money or lower rent, but it replaced chaos with stability. It proved that $135 a week is hard, but possible. Open the app, tell the truth about your numbers, and ask for your survival plan.